The 2024 Volvo XC40 will be available in 3 trims, just like the current model. The entry-level configuration is the 2024 Volvo XC40 Core, with the Plus and Ultimate trims rounding out your options. For the new model year, the Core version gets the bright theme choice, which adorns the outside of the vehicle with shining chrome accents. An air purifier and 360-degree camera view are added to the Plus trim, with the Ultimate model getting 20-inch wheels and new LED headlights. The 2023 version of the Volvo XC40 is available in 9 exterior colors. 2 new options join the lineup for 2024. We don't yet know if these color choices are set to replace any of the current hues or if there will be 11 choices overall. The 2 new choices for the 2024 Volvo XC40 are Cloud Blue and Vapor Gray Metallic. We could see these paint options replace Fjord Blue and Thunder Gray, perhaps, or they could simply be added to the lineup of choices. Either way, the 2024 Volvo XC40 will be available in an exciting range of colors and trim options, allowing you to find a configuration to suit your unique needs and preferences. The entry-level Core trim spruces up its looks with a bright exterior theme that adds shiny trim pieces around the car. Additional standard equipment for this trim includes wireless phone charging and keyless entry. The Plus and Ultimate trims get their choice of bright or dark exterior themes. The Plus trim adds a 360-degree surround view camera, a cabin air purifier, and larger 19-inch wheels to its list of standard equipment. The Ultimate moves up a wheel size to 20 inches and makes cornering lights standard. The Ultimate also picks up the fancier LED headlights fitted to the battery electric XC40 Recharge. Our team expects that the cabin of the 2024 Volvo XC40 will share the same dimensions as the 2023 model. This is fine by us. The 2023 version of the car is spacious and comfortable. Drivers and front seat passengers enjoy 39 inches of headroom, 56.7 inches of shoulder room, and 40.9 inches of legroom. The back seat boasts 39.1 inches of headroom, 56.3 inches of shoulder room, and 36.1 inches of legroom. You'll have plenty of space to spread out, even on long rides. The 2024 Volvo XC40 will be able to haul a substantial amount of cargo if it's the same size as the 2023 model. That version can fit 16 cubic feet of cargo in its trunk space or 57.5 cubic feet of your belongings with the back seats lowered. You'll have an easy time fitting 4 or 5 suitcases in the car if you have to head to the airport or stocking up with a massive haul of groceries before your extended family arrives for the holidays. The 2024 Volvo XC40 promises to be roomy in the extreme. The vehicle's interior is also quite luxurious. Every model is expected to have a 9-inch touchscreen for managing your directions and setting up your music, alongside a 12-inch digital instrument panel that can be configured to show you the information you most want to see. The 2024 Volvo XC40 will rely on built-in Google technology that makes your infotainment easy to manage. If you can't wait until late 2023 to get behind the wheel of a 2024 Volvo XC40, you may want to lease a Volvo XC40 today. The new 2024 Volvo XC40 will be available with one powertrain, the B5 AWD setup. It pairs a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder with a 48-volt mild hybrid system to make 247 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. While we do not have a 2024 EPA rating yet, we can note that the 2023 model with the same powertrain earns an EPA estimated 23.3026 mpg, city, highway, combined. The 2024 Volvo XC40 is likely to meet or exceed this gas mileage estimate. You can learn more about Volvo B series engines here. All the 2024 Volvo XC40s are powered by the same engine. A turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder making 247 horsepower and aided by a 48-volt hybrid system. Power goes to all four wheels through a smooth shifting 8-speed automatic transmission. At our test track, the XC40 hit 60 miles per hour in 6.1 seconds. That time is nothing to complain about in a compact crossover. The exhaust note, on the other hand, is raspy and coarse under heavy throttle. The 2024 Volvo XC40 handles well, pairing a low center of gravity with responsive steering. All-wheel drive offers you a better connection to the road than a two-wheel drive configuration, and the vehicle's slick